Crack-a-lackin' fishing.
Today, we got the mystery Carl's tackle box.
Elite,
not pro. Came in the mail today. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. It's October 14th, so this is the October box. If you guys want one, link in the description. We're gonna get straight into it. Let's get it.
First things first. What we got here?
Ooh.
This is a doozy, guys. This is a doozy. First, let's get out the dibbles, the tips and tricks. All right. First things first. Keys to unlocking big fish hangouts. The birds in the sky. Keep an eye. It talks about this. We'll look at that later. I know you guys don't want to be involved with that. They don't want. Yeah, they can't foresee what's inside. All right. So I got the first thing. A Westin Hypo twist. This is it. I'll do the thing. You just do that. Nah, I do that. No, they don't need to see the sheet. I don't see how much of this.
Whoa.
Show them the bait. Take it out. Show them what we're gonna do with it.
This is.
Read it.
What
type
of bait this is a
Read them out.
This is a lead-free top water lure. It's like a plopper, they said. Let's open it up. Whoa. So it also comes with an extra tail. That's actually cool, guys. Elite. You're doing elite, baby. Let me show you that.
What's this? Oh, this is a top fly.
Yeah, it's a top water.
Top water, baby. Got that top water action. Uh-oh. We got a Westin sticker? Is that what it is?
That's a top water fiend. Oh, we can put this on the boat. This is what the bait looks like, y'all.
How sharp is these hooks? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I actually might use this. Really. This is actually fire. I ain't gonna lie. This is fire right here. Paddle tail.
What color is that anyway?
Oh, this one.
And as you can see, this is what the tail would do. Gives it strong action in the that bite down.
It also comes with an extra tail right here.
Ooh, look at this. I like it. The
gills.
Wow,
yeah,
that's pretty cool. This is a nice little paint job here, and this is little plastic. This bait is running for $13.99. So let's say it's 14 bucks. You want to put it back in the box and just throw it in here. Let's go to the next bait.
We doing a Palmer knot on this one. We ain't trying to lose that one.
The next one, Jenko fishing Shinobi Shad.
It's the bait right here.
That was $8.99. Crack-a-lackin' fishing.
Better view. It is a permanent paint, sharpened hooks. So this mark. How much was this?
$8.99.
$8.99. Ooh, look at the tip on this thing. Pause.
Big pause.
So it has small hooks, so it's like a little bait fish.
Oh, it's like a.
But it has.
That's something new. I never had or seen a bait like that, and it's got one in the front and the back.
Yeah.
You see, they got the hooks. The hooks tied together. We'll unrock. That's a chartreuse color on top with the white bone, I guess they call it. This is a good bait fish.
Let's rate these 1 out of 10. What do you rate this? I rate this like a 9. This is
so far so good. This one too. If it catches a fish, it's a 10, buddy. But right now,
7.
It looks good. I mean, you know,
it
is what it is.
8.
Let's look at a little bit of what is on here. For the first time ever, to the traditional. I can't see this one. This is a 5mm 1/4 ounce.
So I guess this is like lure.
It says super shark hooks, and I can see it too.
Yeah, this
super sharp.
Try to get a close up on that.
So that's good for panfish.
I don't know if it's focused or not, but
you want to do that with a slow retrieve, it said, guys. So if you get that, you want to make sure you do a slow retrieve with that.
Like this.
On the retrieve, proper creation flush, it will remain in the strike zone with a slow retrieve. Carry these through the trout, panfish.
What is a Luke? Oh, let's go to the next one. Luke Lunkers Crankbait.
Lake Lunkers?
Lake Lunkers Crankbait.
Alright, so we got a crappy bait. You know, I'm in the crappie season this year. I like the crappie fish. This is 3D. This is actually pretty dope too. The hooks of these are pretty sharp. It's a crankbait. "3D eyes." It's in the corner. Oh, I see that.
So it's like a little 2 to 4 feet of water.
And it's got a rattle. Let's see.
$7.99, y'all. Let's see if we can catch this fish next time. Next video, we're gonna be using that. What we got next?
Oh, for him, remember, he didn't have
Jinko fishing whirl peep, whatever that is.
So this is a multi-species box.
Jinko fishing.
We just had one.
Oh, that's a lump of fish. The Jinko.
All right, so the Jinko fishing
Right
right here. The jig heads.
oh, what are these?
Yeah, check them out. Show the people, man. What's the weight on that? Oh wow.
Yeah, I know that's interesting.
So these have the spinning action. I guess that's good for the fall. I'm not sure, guys. I'm a new angler here. What's the weight on that?
It doesn't say.
It does say.
It doesn't say.
It's this is from Concord, Connecticut. Chrome props, add a flash to any jig. You're right.
Comes with 3.
Yes, this is 1/16 of an ounce.
Also, you gotta use a light rod. Yeah, this is for crappie. All over.
All right, then we got the.
And that was $650.
All right, so we got the Lunker Hunt Impact Shock 2.5. All right, so we got another diving crankbait.
Look at that bad boy. It says it drives 2 to 5 feet in depth water.
It wobbles, got a side wobble, and it floats.
Inch.
This is 3/8
And it
ounce,
floats.
not 3/8 inch.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Y'all know what I mean.
Crack-a-lack fishing, man.
Hey,
We
you
make
know what?
mistakes.
Crack-a-lack fishing. We might use a crankbait. You know, just to start off the morning.
It's in the basement.
If I can open this. What'd you rate the box so far?
10.
10. Same.
It's our first box. Yeah.
I know, but
I'm excited. I can't wait to see all this stuff. Oh, this got a hard bang. Oh yeah, good rattle.
Oh yeah. This is a good bait.
You see these hooks?
This is a good bait.
Oh yeah, not really, but sharp. Look at the detail. You got the eyes.
$5.
This is $5, guys. This is a shallow 2 to 5 feet. This will plop and flop on the top. You can walk it a little bit, and it also will sink. That's what it said on the box. Next, Eagle Claw.
Eagle Claw hair spinner.
All right, some more.
$5. So I'm guessing this is for like pike,
Trout.
trout.
Probably.
Yeah, I'm gonna say trout. I'm gonna say pike.
We'll find out. We're gonna when we do this challenge, see if we catch anything in it. I'm really impressed.
Oh, got some tape on there.
Oh what? What's that? Oh yeah.
We got these joints right here.
Y'all want to get in the video?
I don't know.
No.
I have a feeling I'm gonna
Oh,
need
these are fire right here.
It's like 10 subscribers.
These are fire right here because it moves up and down. First, let me show you how to bait.
Hey guys, could say this is my other son. He wanted to join in the video since my other kids didn't want to join. This is Junior here. Crack-a-lack fishing.
Me.
We got the spoon with the hooks with the you know what this gave me? That hound vibe plopper. With the
Yeah, so it
plopper
looks
in
like
there.
this, swims like this. This goes down, I guess, when you pull it. This is gonna draw so the tension so where, oh, these are sharp hooks.
Hit that.
We actually might use this. This is actually.
Man, this is cool. We would tie here, and this makes that whopping. It's gonna make everything we have. It looks like it has that noise.
That's that eagle claw, baby.
I like that. Next.
And that was $5 also.
Next
bait, we got the Bruiser Baits Adventure.
Ooh, look at these.
Soft plastics, green, big, huge green. Cross.
Everybody knows.
Let's get a close up on. Whoa.
Man, that's humongous.
What in the world is that?
So we're definitely gonna spread these legs open, cause wings or whatever they are, cause
With
like
the
that,
action
I
in the
need
water.
that action in the water. These almost like the bandino bugs.
Yeah.
That's exactly
It
what
looks
they
like
look
a
like, but they're
lobster.
red. I like
Is it
that
a
little
lobster?
red tint to it.
It's that watermelon, green watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's what it's called.
Looks nice. It looks nice.
Oh yeah, this
That's
is fire.
nice.
This is fire.
Alright, put it back. We got some more.
Smell test.
Wait, why would you need a
Smell like
smell?
pure,
I got
pure
smell it.
plastic.
Why would you need
No
a
scent
smell?
to it, just pure
Oh
plastic.
man, I wanted some of these. I'm so glad we got these.
What?
Next bait, we
me
got
see it.
Tackle Bandit Sinker
Put
Slides.
it back in the camera.
So,
These are $4.
so what these are, they go on your line, and they hold your weight, and they go up and down on the line. That's kind of cool as heck. That way you can put your weight on here, and this will go up and down the
I
line.
just noticed there's
Oh
a
man, I like that.
Jackpot thing in here.
Man,
made
that's a
this?
little tough.
I need to
Tackle
know-
Tackle
Bandit.
Bandit. So this
catfish.
is like the catfish.
Mm-hmm. Or when you're doing the
We're just trying to catch something to eat. You
Carolina.
Know, not for the
Actually, we're on
bass.
Fortnite.
like Carolina rigging. Basically, we had a weight in the bottom. New English, guys. If we said something wrong or did something wrong,
And the last,
let us know in the comments. I know you will.
the last bait. This is coming in at $4. Can we get a drum roll, please? We have the Northern Tackle Mimic Minnow Critter Crawl.
Ooh, this
This
gets
is for
walleye.
walleye, bass,
And
northern
northern.
pike.
So let's open this cranking up. Let's open this crack-a-lacking up.
You know what we could do with this? We can add a Cinco. Not a Cinco, but
He actually is.
a Tuscan weight. I'm sorry, I'm mistaken. Tuscan weight.
Features a lifelike stand-up jig that sits to mimic a crayfish. Paddle tail, like a scurrying crayfish. Oh shoot!
Oh shoot.
I
Oh
see.
yeah, you don't even need a
That's like it's a jig.
Yeah, you don't even need a Tuscan. I mean,
No,
yeah,
it has
Tuscan
it.
weight.
Yeah, it has it on.
Yeah, I was just telling them
It's a
you
weight
need a
head.
Tuscan weight.
So you'll put this like this, and it'll look like a crayfish that's crawling.
What is this supposed to mimic anyway?
The crawfish,
Critter
man.
crawl?
Yeah, a crawfish. See the claws?
I guess I see where they're going right there.
And you got this head right here, nice little design. It looks like it makes it helps it to be weedless, so that things can go right up under it. I guess.
Well, $4. I mean, I
Hey
guess.
man, that's nice.
That's nice.
We're gonna get a lot of fishing going on here, man.
All right, to end off the video,
We got a nice little catch company because we hit
The
the jackpot.
jackpot.
So what we're gonna do when we catch a fish, we're gonna show this the jackpot, and that's gonna come across the screen. All right, guys. Well, so far so good. It looks like we did it.
to conclude it off,
Dude, you
Which one do you think is the base bait?
this is the best bait.
I said the base bait.
This is the
Best
best bait, I
bait.
think. This bait is actually could be good with the whopper copper
Oh,
tail.
it is. Depends on.
And it has, I like the colors and I like the mouth, the way it's mouth shaped. I like the way they pin detail with the eyes. It sounds like it, as you can see, inside you can see some beads.
Yeah, that's the weight.
That's the
weight
weight.
distribution. So when you cock it back on the swing, you'll be able. It's gonna bounce off. I think that is one of my.
Yeah, it's either,
And I like that because I'm a crank. I'm a
he's
crank.
a crank specialist.
Yeah, I like cranks, man.
And I really like this. Now,
I don't know why, but I like cranks.
I like
more than
this.
anything.
I like these. These are my top 10 baits.
Top two.
Top 2 baits out of all.
It's a lot of editing going to be happening here, guys.
Top 2 baits. If you had to say which one is better looking.
Crank, brother. I'm always
Crank.
with the crank, man.
0 to 2 feet.
I can't wait to put that on a couple shores.
Oh yeah.
Let me see how sharp.
These-
They're not sharp, man. They're sharp, but they're not sharp. I'm gonna tell you what's sharp is that the
These jig heads.
no, yeah, those jig head things are sharp. Not those, the other ones.
These-
Yeah, those are the really sharp.
These
I
ones
don't know
right
what
here.
kind of oh man,
Bring the other chair.
what kind of
I'm gonna be using
metals
these.
that is.
These are gonna be looking fire.
Man, we're gonna catch everything, man. So
Probably-
we're gonna
use a sausage swimmer on this one. You know.
well, I'm gonna tell y'all guys, this is gonna wrap it up for me. But I'll see you all on the water, and we're gonna see if we can catch, measure, and share. But until next time, crack-a-lack fishing, baby. Peace.